Hi, I'm Ditya Praveen.
And I'm Prisha Vivekananda. We are from Class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We worked on a cool project to make amateur radio easy and fun for students. We wanted to create a kit that helps beginners learn wireless communication hands-on.
Today, most kids use mobile phones and digital apps to communicate, but many don't know about ham radio, which is a powerful way to talk across cities, countries, and even the world using radio waves.
Ham radio is important in emergencies and has inspired many engineers, but it seems complicated and expensive at starting, so most students don't try it. To change that, we created the Ham Radio Starter Kit, a simple, affordable kit with all parts and experiments you need to learn radio basics.
The kit includes FM and AM transmitters, intercoms, breadboards, resistors, capacitors, sensors, and measurement tools. With these, you can see and hear how signals are made and received. We designed the kit based on the official NIAR restricted grade syllabus, so it also prepares students for the ham license exam in India.
We did a survey and talked to friends and teachers. They told us students like hands-on projects but find electronics and exams challenging. So we made sure this kit is easy and fun. We also studied the syllabus and how ham radio helps in emergencies. Our kit links theory and practicals, building skills step by step.
We tested the activities to make sure anyone can follow the instructions and complete the projects in school time.
The kit helps students learn real circuits, teachers get ready to use lessons, and school gets a great tool for clubs and camps.
Most importantly, this kit inspires students to become licensed ham radio operators and explore communication technology. We believe simple, well-designed kits like this can make a big difference in how students discover electronics and radio. We want more kids across India to build circuits, hear their first transmissions, and love ham radio as much as we do.
So start your radio journey with the Ham Radio Starter Kit. Everything you need to get hands-on and ready for the exam. Thank you.